Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, here we are, round 3. We've killed 2 rock and roll CDs already. We've been rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking over here. And I've been doing some grinding it down as well. Let's see what we got on our 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS door striker problem. This is how far I got so far. What I've done is, on the last video I showed you where I had the striker plate in place. I told you I was going to cut that off and build me a filler, and there it is. I have drilled holes in here. I'm going to spot weld here. These I thought I was going to be able to spot weld, but they seem to be a little far away. It's not going to happen. I'm going to end up filling those back in. But I can spot there. I got 5 good spots there, and I've left a nice thick border, or whatever you want to say, around the edge, so maybe my wire can get down there and catch some of that plate as I weld up this. Alright guys, it's just another quick video on what I'm getting done over here. It's about hot 30. I'm sweating. I think I'm going to get this welding done so I can get this grinding done. I'll bring y'all back one more time and let y'all check out the finished product. Let me show y'all how this door is working so far, because it's shutting good. There you go. Shutting like it's supposed to. I got a little bit of adjustment on my little end. And of course that door hasn't had hinges done or anything like that, so it's not going to be perfect. And I still got plenty of room to adjust up and everything. So yeah, looking like a decent repair so far. Yeah, I'm liking it. Alright guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. I think I'm going to put some Motley Crue on and pull this all through and keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.